In this tutorial, I'm going to let you know the ways to log out from Google Photos account. So to log out from Google Photos account, you just have to follow the steps. Since Google Photo is one of the services provided by the Google itself. So if you want to log out from your Google Photos, then you'll be logged out from all other services like YouTube or your Gmail and all that. So basically, you just have to go ahead and open up your Google Photos account and then press on the profile from the top right hand side. Next, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on manage your Google Photos. Then what next you need to do is you need to go ahead and then on this page scroll down right to the bottom, and you should be able to find this option as logout, or you could also go ahead and press on logout. So that's basically how you could go ahead and log out of your Google Photos account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.